Let's rationalize the denominator of a fraction, this time with the fraction involving a cubed root. It's going to be fairly similar to the square root examples. We're going to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by a cubed root radical, but we need to figure out what number to use here. We want these two numbers, when multiplied together, to make a cube root of a perfect cube. So you need to know some of your perfect cubes. For example, I know that the cube root of 64 is 4, and I also know that 16 times 4 would give me 64. So if I multiply these together, we have 7 times the cube root of 4 divided by, and I've already done this math down here, multiplying these together and then simplifying the cube root, so divided by 4. Now, another way to figure out what to multiply by, let's talk about that real quick. It might be helpful to see 16. Let's write it down here. If I had the cube root of 16, and I'm trying to figure out what to multiply that by, it might be helpful to think of 16 as 4 squared. And if I see 16, break it down to a power, 4 squared, then I know I need to multiply by 4 to the first, because that would make the cube root of 4 cubed. And if I can match these numbers, that becomes 4. So going down to a power can help me figure out what this number needs to be, which then I can use that number right here.